So first and foremost, you know, we already got to get into it. Obviously, we have the Shadow Ones, man. We chilling today, bro. I'm gonna tell y'all, we ain't got no B-roll. We ain't got nothing crazy. Just a conversation between me and you. Giving a pair of these away. All you got to do is follow me on Instagram, follow Crossover on Instagram, and I will be picking the winner on Friday. So if you could, just leave a positive comment down below. Hit that thumbs up for the video algorithm, you know what I'm saying? And just let me know what size you wear so we could pick that winner. But anyway, man, an early look. Now, it's funny to me that a lot of people like these or they hate them. And I will say, when I first got them in hand, I was like, huh, you know, like I have this love for them, but also this kind of like, it just reminds me of like, this is what I could imagine women wearing, right? You trying to be cute, right? You trying to match your man's. Your man's got the OG, and you gonna pull out the 2.0, sisterin. So yeah, I love the concept of just the nubuck throughout the entire sneaker. Could have done better on the leather piece, but you know, it is what it is. These released May 15th, and honestly, a pretty dope shoe. Now, I'm sure you've seen 1,000 reviews of this. It's dope. It's another Jordan 1 2.0. I want to show you something cool, man. So, just got this in from Avant Creations, right? This package. I've been waiting. I'm setting up my whole office. That's why we're just sitting here casually talking. Can you dig it? Let's open this bad boy up. Really just wanted to let you guys know about that giveaway, just so you have a chance to win some sneakers, bro. Free shoes, brother. So, we have a mini Air Force One concrete planter. This stuff to me is super dope. If you guys know, like, I like to garden. I'm all about like the little accessories. I love scents. So I got this grapefruit mojito. Oh my Jesus, this smells so ooh-wee. And then we have this Air Force One candle. Now I'll put the link down below. I just want to show some love to Avant Creations, man. Much love. Thank you. But this is fire, ladies. Pick this up, men. These candles, you guys know I got candles up at the top, but this is just so dope. Like, I just think this is incredible how people do this. And it doesn't end there. We also got a planter. Once the weather gets a little warmer around here, I'm gonna go ahead and get a new cactus plant. You know, we kind of got like the little Travis Scott vibe going on right here. This is stupid. So this is a planter, right? Put the little plant in there, boom. You'd want to stick with something small, like, you know, a shrub or a cactus, something that's not gonna get too big. But that's pretty dope. I'm just in the mood to show y'all some different things, man. I know I got your attention with the Jordan 1s. We'll get to them. But let's just hang out, man. How y'all doing? I'm chilling, bro. I just been, I act like you responded. Like, I'm like, how you doing? You're like, hey, Mike, I'm good. Good. Nah, man, I just been so busy, bro. Like, honestly, doing YouTube has changed my life in so many different ways. It's insane to think like you just create some videos, and honestly, it's all thank you to you guys. Like, you guys know that I've had a few popping videos milking that Lil Nas situation. So what I did with that money is took it and invested into the brand more. You know, upgraded the equipment. So I'm waiting on some of that stuff to come in. I have a Sneaker Life merchandise drop. It has been a hot minute since I've done that, and this one is so fire, guys. Like, I'm gonna do it the right way. Like, I just dropped the tees off today, and they're gonna get printed. I'm not even gonna show y'all nothing. I'm just letting you know. If you want to know about when this merchandise drops, and you guys know I never disappoint you when it comes to that, I'm gonna have y'all text me, okay? Text spacejam. Actually, yeah. Spacejam, all word. Don't do no caps, all lowercase. Spacejam, one word. Text that to 303-529-6327. That's my number. A lot of you guys are like, oh, Mike, you don't never, which I've been lacking, but I mean, I be getting y'all text messages, man. It's an easy way to communicate to me. Sometimes I take a long time to respond, but clearly you guys see there is tons of messages, but I try to respond to them all. That's just a way for us to text, and also for you to know when there's a merch drop. So I just text that number. Trust me. I'm telling you, this drop is about to be stupid. I'll give you a little tour of the office. Still a huge work in progress. but you guys can see installed some shelves up here. Been a little different, right? If you watch the previous videos, you know there was just paintings back there. I'm gonna get back to streaming. Huge shout out to El Gato. They sent me some stupid stuff, bro. I got the stream deck, got a new mic. Bro, what should I stream, guys? Should we start streaming like sneaker releases and all that good stuff? Let me know. Any ideas you got, drop them down below. I'm gonna go crazy with this content. And then they sent me this cool light. It's phenomenal. This light in the room. It's been raining here in Colorado, bro. It's garbage. And yeah, man, other than that, just been trying to be productive, bro. Trying to optimize my life. I know I said that in the last video, but that is literally the key to success, y'all. It's just optimization. They sent me this to do some cool like shots. I want to do so much stuff. It's just more of a lot of times you just can't like sit and talk about it. You just got to do it. You know what I'm saying? So that's it. I'm just here talking. This is just what's been on my mind. And then I just got this in today. Staple just sent me this new rug, and you know, Uggs on deck. This goes stupid. The pigeon rug. So dope. That's fire. I remember when I went to go visit the facility and they had this rug. I'm like, damn, this is dope. And then boom, ends up at my doorstep. And of course, you know, we got the Sneaker Life rug. Still got some of these if you wanted to pick one up. This is like a damn... I promise you, I'm not trying to sell you nothing, guys. This is just what's going on. And then they sent me these beautiful things. We got some sweatpants and a hoodie. This looks fire. Even Adidas showing your boy love. Like, dude, I think the title of this video is review. Y'all probably mad right now. Like, hey, man. Let me see the damn shoes, bruh. I ain't come here to see all that. I ain't come here to see all that, bruh. My fault. This is pretty dope, though. Like, look. It says Michael Mitchell. They sent me Pharrell. Y'all know I love my Pharrells. Like, back in the day, I had every human race. So, pretty dope. I need to do a review of those. I got so many reviews I need to shoot. Anyway, so let's get to these Shadow 2.0s. Now, I will say, anytime typically Jordan Brand makes a 2.0, it's usually trash. I'm a big fan of these just because I love the color blocking of just really monochrome in a sense, right? You know, you got your gray, you got your black, beautiful suede. Shoe done very well, very simple, straight to the point. Another shoe that most likely will be hard to get, but there's a lot of pairs out there. There's no such thing as a GR. I don't plan on anyone you hear say, oh yeah, that's a general release. No, bro, that does not exist right now. People are down bad. So many people have microscoped our little sneaker community and are taking advantage of it. And that's just the way it goes, man. So if you can grab these, fire. If not, make sure to enter the giveaway. It gives you a chance, right? It gives you another chance to just win them for free, which is even better. But you are gonna get your standard box. Retail on these bad boys is gonna be $170. They're gonna release March 15th. May 15th, Lord. I seriously hate. Okay, so you get gray laces, which is cool. What were we were just talking about in the last video. What shoe was it? That it should have came with gray laces. I could use these laces for that. Y'all remember? I can't even remember what video it was. I'll have to go look. But obviously your standard black laces. Man, I wish they would just lace them for me. You know what I'm saying? Like, the way they laced them was all good. Let's just lace them up, put them on feet. I know y'all saw that. That Cole. Jermaine. Cole. J. Cole. Does anyone else have like so many Jordan 1s that you love, but they're still sitting in the box because you're just like, when you want to wear them, like you headed out the crib and you're like, oh yeah, I want to wear those, but they ain't laced, and you're like, nope, I ain't got time for all that. Not today. It's kind of crazy to think like, we're all just hoarders, man. Hoarding our shoes. I also hate when people say, we wear our sneakers. Man, I don't give a damn if you wear your sneakers, bro. What does that even mean? I wear my sneakers too, bro. Sometimes I just ain't trying to lace them. What's up? And that means I'm not a sneakerhead just because I'm too lazy to lace my shoes. You lace them for me. As I'm lacing these beautiful things up, they looking real nice. But it just reminds me of like a youth shoe. I shouldn't even say like a woman's shoe. It's just kind of like something that you see on kids. And I remember the days where I would literally use my laptop computer as my mic. And now it's insane to think like how in-depth sneaker videos have become. Like, you know, this camera that I'm recording on, bro, the lens is like 3 bands. The body is 5,000. The mic on top is 350. Like, you don't need crazy equipment to shoot videos, just so you know. It's just like anything, as you level up, you just want better quality, overkill. That's just the way it is. I don't know why I'm telling you that, but I just think of like my old videos where I'd be like, what's up, YouTube? This is Mike from a sneakerlife.com. And today I have the KD, and it was off like this trash webcam, and bro, look where it got me. You know what I'm saying? Now balling off the Sony, visuals crazy, editing got a lot better, personality got a lot better, because before I was just like, yeah, I mean, these are kind of cool. Now I'm like, trash, just, you know what I'm saying? But yeah, laced up. What do you guys think? Maybe like some black jeans. I mean, it is, you can wear like some Mitchell and Ness shorts, white socks, pull them down a little bit. That'll look solid. You could pull out the olive. Olive wouldn't look bad. Camo, nah, no camo. Yellow, you could pull out yellow. That'd be a solid. We're going through the motions of thinking like how you put it fit together with these. I think yellow really pops. You could do yellow, olive, shadows if you really wanted to be that guy. But I would always probably just keep it simple. Either the Mitchell and Ness shorts or the socks, just because, you know, we got the summertime. And then, you know, going out, hit these with like some water protector because it is a suede material. So you want to be careful of that. Any marks or scuffs will be permanent. We'll mess it up. It's a wrap. And that's kind of one of the things, like, I like suede for the element of, you know, it looks nice, it feels nice. But as far as wearability, this being a shoe that you wear all the time, most likely will get thrashed, scuffed, scratched, and it's kind of over from that point. So this is one of those shoes that, you know, I probably wouldn't pull out frequently, but, you know, when I know the ground is dry, like it's a warm day, probably pull these out. All right, man, so we got the Polar. Dude, I got a hole in my sock. Man, this just tells you what kind of day I'm having. Just bummy. You know, it's okay to be bummy. You ain't got to be fly all the time. So, yeah, man, these really just remind me of a youth shoe so much. Does anybody feel what I'm saying? Maybe I don't like these. Huh. I am not putting the other shoe on. I'm just telling you right now. Ah, they look kind of cold though. I'm so indecisive, guys. Like, I love the color blocking. It just kind of reminds me, like I said, youth shoe or maybe like a mid or something like that. When you compare it to your shadows, nothing beats the shadows. Like, if anybody knows, bro, like, back when I used to just buy sneakers specifically from eBay and do unboxings, the shadows were my shoe, man. Like, that's the shoe that I wanted so bad. I just love this shoe. It literally, this hands down is just, in my opinion, one of the most wearable Jordan 1s out there, just because of the color blocking. And, you know, depending on if you like to wear black a lot like I do, it's a go too. I just think the way the shadow hits, man, just that silver in general. I mean, even my car is silver. Like, silver's the color, bro. I'd love to see like a gunmetal Jordan 1. But, you know, there's just so many different shades of silver. All I would do is put it this way, man. These are dope. Cop them if you can. If you are going to pay resale, which, you know, people do. Like, people work hard. I know a lot of people are like, oh man, why do you pay resale? Why don't you just buy fake shoes? Okay, first off, a lot of people don't like to buy fake shoes, whether it's the same material or not. Some people just don't like that, and that's okay. So relax. A lot of people work extremely hard and they have money to burn. So they pay resale to get the shoe that they want. They don't got time to wake up on Sneakers app and take an L or have all these bots or join these groups. They just want to buy the shoe, get it, wear it, boom. That's it. That's what they do, okay? So my recommendation, skip these for resale. and buy these. Okay? That's what I would do. Take it how you want. I really hope you guys are doing well. I'd love it if you could like this video for me, and also just comment down below, why did you subscribe to this YouTube channel? What do you like about A Sneaker Life? What do you want to see in the future? And some of you guys just watch and you never comment. If you could just do me a huge favor and just comment, bro. Like, it's gonna take a minute of your time. You watch this video, I don't even know how long this video is. So, dude, just comment. Let me know what you like about this channel. Maybe what do you want to see? And be sure to enter that giveaway. I want to do as many giveaways. I'm trying to reach out to as many brands as possible to just give. Just because I know a lot of times you enter a giveaway and you don't win. And it's just like discouraging. You're like, damn, I'm never going to win. But all it does is take one time. And I try not to make these giveaways too complicated, making you follow all these different pages and blah, blah, blah. It's super simple. Just follow me on Instagram. Tell me your size. And hopefully you're the winner. You know what I'm saying? So hope to have a lot of those this year. And yeah, man, let me know what you guys think about the Shadow ones. I know I'm telling you to do a bunch, but just do it, bro. What else are you doing? You're watching this video, so you must got time. So take it easy, man. It's your boy Sneaker Life. I'm chilling. Catch y'all in the next one.